Okay, good evening everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install the Redmi monitor stand. Okay, as you can see on the table now, the monitor stand led is already uninstalled from this Redmi monitor. And to install it back, first of all you need to input this one first to your monitor, and you will find out two screw connection here and two of here. Input it and make sure the two holes are in the same position, and now input two screws to it. Okay, after that input this one to the stand, and you will find out two screws here, and now input the last two screws into that hole. And now you are finished to use your monitor on the table stand now. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can install the monitor stand on your Redmi monitor. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.